Hi, and welcome to this brief introduction to MDT products. MDT protects the intellectual property in your automation layer across the enterprise, helping to avoid risk regardless of device type and helping you to recover quickly from hardware failures, mistakes, and even sabotage. MDT offers change management support for AVEVA system platform, which is change management for objects, graphics, templates, instances, and more. And it's the only product endorsed by AVEVA to provide change management support for system platform. AutoSave for System Platform enables users to remove undesired changes, detect object associations and version differences, validate changes between production and dev or QA galaxies, and restore object changes following a galaxy restoration. The latest release is AutoSave for System Platform version 5. It supports AVEVA System Platform 2020 and AVEVA System Platform 2020 R2. And with System Platform 2020 and forward, you no longer need an additional GR access license, and you no longer need a dev studio to be running on the GR node. So this greatly expands the operational footprint of the product. MDT also supports other AVEVA products, including AVEVA InTouch HMI, AVEVA Edge, and Cytec SCADA. In addition, MDT offers plant-wide change control. AutoSave for System Platform can easily be expanded to maintain change control on any device running in your facility, including advanced drivers for all the different device types shown here.